Hey guys, it's Daniel here. Hopefully you're staying safe and sane during this apocalypse that is our lives. But today's video, actually, I want to talk about this. This is clearly an unopened Google Home Mini. I would like to do an unboxing with you today. A first impressions and a tutorial on how to set this up and sync it with your Phillips Hue Lights. Some content creators are pressed for content and I'm like, nope. Not me, because I do this all the time. I've had this sitting on my shelf since November of last year because I never opened it. Alright, so this video actually is going to be a little bit different than any of my other unboxings that I've done. I would like to do kind of like a voiceover on an unboxing so I can kind of get up close and personal with you guys. So let's go ahead and do that now. Alright guys, so this is the Google Home Mini in its box in all of its glory. Here's the streaming services that you can use. I'm going for a satisfying sound here for tech unboxing. So I really wanted to get the lovely, lovely sound of the paper opening. This is like my favorite sound. And now that the paper's off, bloop. And now let's open it. You have a tab here to open up that is on the bottom of the box, and I find it very Apple-esque because when I first got my Apple products, I was obsessed with all of the pull tabs that you get to open. But this is not a Apple unboxing. I'm gonna go ahead and open up the top of the box. And as soon as you open up the box, then you get a fresh Google Home Mini right on top. Let's take this out of the box here and set this down. And side note, I love the different color on the bottom, although I wish it was displayed somewhere else. Kind of like the button on the Pixel, that's a little bit different. They kind of throw a little bit of color on the underside there. You are greeted with some paperwork whenever you pull that little plastic holder out. Really, all of that paperwork is just some instructions. And I was doing some ASMR tapping whenever I get that open. Alright, so you get 3 little packets. One is a warranty, one is a like features that you can do, which is to get to know your Google Home. The top one that's right here basically just tells you how to get started. And that is a instruction that we're going to follow in just a minute. The only other thing that is inside of the box is the power cord. And I actually have some beef about that power cord that I'm going to show you in just a second what I'm talking about. And now I'm going to Vanna White you. Alright guys, so we've moved over from the unboxing to my living room. Sorry about the mess. I did not feel like cleaning up for quarantine. And I wanted to film it dark so that you could see my Phillips Hue lights in the background since this is part of the setup. Before I actually show you how to plug this in, I have a pet peeve that I want to talk about. It's not actually with the shape of the Google Home itself, but with the plug-in. As you can see, this is a little bulky and it has a pretty big, I guess, quote unquote power brick that you can see. And that is something that gets on my nerves because if you're a tech junkie or if you have a lot of cable management, you're gonna have an issue plugging this into a power strip, or if you have to plug it in somewhere, you're going to have an issue with plugging in a bunch of cords beside it because of how bulky this is. Before we get started plugging this in, it is important that you download the Google Home app on your phone. Whether you have iOS or Android, it's still going to work. I actually haven't done that, so I'm going to do that right now while I'm talking to you guys. Alright, so now that the app is downloaded on my phone, the Google Home Mini is plugged in on my messy desk behind us. Then you can go ahead and open up the app and follow the onset instructions to sync your Google Home Mini. All right, you guys, so once you have everything set up for your Google Home Mini, you're gonna have a tab where it says add device or search for devices. Mine automatically searched and gave me this screen here. In this tab, you can add rooms or separate them. Or if you just wanna leave it like that, you can have a section to individually turn lights off, or you could do something like this. Hey Google, turn my lights off.
Okay, turning 4 lights off.
Or hey Google, turn my lights on.
Sure, turning 4 lights on.
Or, hey Google, turn all of my lights green.
Sure, changing 4 lights to green.
All right, you guys, so that is all of that I have for this video for you guys today. I really hope you enjoyed this different kind of unboxing. I just wanted to experiment since we're all stuck in quarantine together. And I just want to say thank you so much for watching my channel. Be sure to like this video, comment down below of anything you want to see in the future, and of course, hit that subscribe button for more content. I post videos every week to every other week, depending on when I'm able to get them to you. And I also post videos to my ASMR channel as much as I possibly can. I usually run a schedule of every other day over there. And just a heads up, I have an ASMR version of the unboxing on my channel over there if you want to go check it out for those comfortable, clingy plastic wrap noises that you hear whenever you open up a new piece of tech. So that is exactly what you're getting on that video. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love all of you, and I will see you in the next video.